Alrighty guys, what's going on today? I'm going to be talking to you about the iOmega 33941 FireWire 400. It's a USB portable hard drive, and it's a really good one at that. So yeah, I've had this for quite a while. I have tons of hard drives, and over the years, I've had 2 hard drive fails, 2 really big ones, and wiped out a lot of my data. And so I've begun to I started being very particular with the types of hard drives that I was using, and one of my friends recommended the iOmega brand, and so far it's been awesome. So yeah, I've had it for a while. This one I mostly use to store photos and videos and other things that I'm just trying to keep separate from my work computer. I do a lot of music, but none of my sessions are stored on this thing. For one, it's really not as big as it needs to be for storing a lot of those sessions. The storage capacity on here is 250 gigabytes, which is, a lot smaller than many other hard drives that I work with, but it's perfect for uses that are a bit lesser or easier. So the cool thing about this is you can either use a USB 2.0 to hook it up, which I usually do, or a FireWire as well. There's this DC 5 volt right here, although you should know it is bus powered. Cool thing about having all of these on here is that you have different options depending on what your preference is. And having the FireWire available is cool, and I think it's just like a standard on a lot of FireWire or Thunderbolt is kind of a standard on a lot of these now, especially the higher end, or the brands that are shooting for the higher end build are using those, just because the data transfer is faster. Yeah, so like I said, powered without an external power supply, you can just basically hook it up to your laptop or computer and you are ready to go. Yeah, and it's really as simple as that. But there's a bunch of reasons why I like having these portable drives rather than my bigger ones that I have to plug in. One, if you can see the size of this thing, it's really thin and it's got like a great shape. It's almost like a little flask in a way. That's kind of the size and the feel of it. It's lightweight, but it has like a sturdy build, and it's really easy to kind of just slip in any small bag and take on the road with you. I travel with this thing quite a bit, especially if I'm going and I'm bringing my camera places. I like to take it with me, and then right after, hook it up to my laptop, put my SD card in, transfer everything over to this, and you just get things off of my camera quick and stored away quick, so they're safe. The fact that it's this nice like cherry red color is cool too, because I'll never lose it. It's bright. It also adds kind of like a personalized touch to it. I think they have other colors as well. Cherry red's just the one that, I don't know, I got it, I guess, when I got it. I can't say why, but it is really nice. It's this like brushed kind of metallic feel, almost similar to like a MacBook. It's definitely got that same sort of feel to it. As for the actual specs of this thing, or like the in use, it does work very fast. I plug it in, it's recognized by my laptop in a matter of seconds, and I've never had a problem with transferring data on or off of it. With some other hard drives, I've definitely had slower transfer times, but this one's nice. And I don't know the exact specs of it, but I can say that it does the job, and it does it efficiently and effectively. And all that being said, it's truly one of the best hard drives that I've owned, best smaller hard drives that I've owned. Again, 250 gigs. If you're doing some serious work, I wouldn't recommend it for that. But if you need something to just like store extra photos and videos, and maybe sort of a keepsake, sentimental pieces of content that you have, whatever that may be to you, these iOmega drives are great. and like I said, I've had it for, I don't know, a few years now, and it's, you know, I've never had an issue with it, never had a fail. So yeah, iOmega, keep your data safe. All right, cheers.